Today I am going to explain Python lambda functions. A lambda function is a small anonymous function. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. Here, lambda function is just like this. Lambda, keyword, argument, and also the expression. Here, we can write x is equal to lambda a plus 10. Then we can print x. The argument is 5. Then we can run Python lambda.py. Then the return is 15. Here the function is x. Lambda function is equal to x. We add argument 5. We add parameter for a is 5 because there is only one argument, that is a. Here a plus 10. Here a is equal to 5. Then 5 plus 10 is 50. Then we will receive 50. Then I define y is equal to lambda. I define two arguments. Those are a and b. Then a plus b. Okay. Then I comment previous one. Then print y. A is 2 and b is 3. Then result should be 5. I am going to print here. Result is 5. The power of lambda is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside another function. Say you have a function definition that takes one argument, and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. Here I will remove this. Then I define a function, my function. Then parameter argument is n. Then I return lambda a multiplied by n. Here I add my doubler is equal to my function. I add 2 as parameter. Then I am going to print my doubler adding 11. Then printing value should be 22. Just like this. Here this is happening. Firstly, my function, we pass 2 into my function. Then my function is called, argument is 2. Then return a lambda function. Returning lambda function is just like this. My doubler is equal to lambda a multiplied by 2. The returning lambda function is just like this. That is quote by my doubler variable. Then p pass 11 into my doubler. Then that is just like this. Lambda parameter argument is 11. Then 11 here 11 multiply by 2, then 22. Here print 22. That's it. I think you understand clearly about lambda function. Please subscribe my channel. This kind of good videos are there in future too.